You machining intelligently? Multi-Master solid carbide ball nose heads for aluminum profile milling. ISCAR proudly announces the addition of solid carbide ball nose heads to the Multi-Master family, tailored for machining contoured surfaces in aluminum alloys. These heads enhance profile milling capabilities, especially for complex curve-based surfaces. Head features: 3 flutes, designed with 3 flutes to boost productivity and reduce process time, ensuring efficient material removal. Diameter range: available in nominal diameters from 8 to 25 mm, offering flexibility for diverse applications. Material compatibility: perfectly suited for aluminum and copper alloys, categorized under the ISO N group. Designation: identified by the MM EBA designation for seamless integration. Uncoated Sharp Heads: sharp, uncoated heads deliver excellent cutting performance and surface finish. Carbide grade ICO8 features ICO8 carbide grade, renowned for durability and performance. The strategic combination of multi-master shank geometries and materials significantly enhances the tool's dynamic behavior, ensuring stable cutting across various applications. This is vital for maintaining precision and efficiency, particularly in high-quality finish industries. These ball nose heads are crafted for roughing and finishing in aerospace, medical, and automotive sectors. They expand Multi-Master products' capabilities, making them essential for projects with intricate geometries and contoured surfaces. With this expansion, ISCAR continues to deliver cutting-edge solutions that meet the evolving demands of high-demand industries, cementing ISCAR's role as a leader in innovative machining technologies.